Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone from lagging. Let's start. First, you need to go to settings. You need to go back. Then go to general. Accessibilities. Oh my god, I need to mute you. Accessibility. Click the press the increase contrast. After that, you need to go back, click, press or maybe tap reduce motion, turn it on. Then actually you'll need assistive touch. After that, you need to press the power button long until you see this thing. Then click home. Yeah, long press. After that, it will clean your RAM. And then go to Safari, find it. Then swipe down, clear history and website data. After that, it's all done. Thanks for watching, I guess. And make sure to subscribe and like the video and click the bell button. Thanks for watching.